In this video, we present a dual-functional end effector that unifies grasping and perching and enables a novel perch-while-grasping mode in a lightweight design. In aerial robotics, perching provides energy-efficient anchoring, while grasping enables versatile interaction. Yet few systems can achieve both. Existing solutions need the targets to be geometry or material-specific, so they struggle on unprepared urban structures like light poles or traffic signs. We target these urban structures and design a dual-purpose hybrid gripper, including a soft gripper for conformal grasping, a rigid shell to bear load, and a coaxial eye-and-hand camera for markerless visual servoing. Our pipeline uses a forward camera to estimate the 6D pose of poles, adapters, or stop signs with FoundationPose. The estimates are passed to a minimum snap trajectory generator, which produces a smooth trajectory for approaching the target. We use a geometric controller augmented by L1 adaptive control for trajectory tracking. Finally, the coaxial downward camera performs markerless visual servoing to perform lateral and yaw alignment before contact, and the gripper closes upon contact for perching or grasping. On the top right is our dual-purpose hybrid gripper. In the first experiment, we let the quadrotor perch on poles with various geometries, cylinder, cuboid, sphere, and truncated cone, achieving robust perching with 95.5% overall success rates. Visual servoing proves essential, raising the success rate from 10% without servoing to nearly universal perching. In the second experiment, the platform demonstrates geometry-agnostic grasping of diverse objects. Despite varied shapes and masses, the system maintains stable flight and precise transport. In the third experiment, we showcase the perch-while-grasping capability. The drone first grasps a customized adapter, then uses it to perch on the thin edge of a stop sign, a task impossible for conventional perching or landing gear to finish. Coaxial visual servoing and yaw alignment ensure precise grasping for adapter and perching on stop sign. Thank you for watching.